In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Canva. First, open your browser and go to canva.com, then log into your account. A free account works perfectly for this. One of the best parts about using Canva is that you don't need to design from scratch. There are ready-made invoice templates that you can easily edit, which saves a lot of time and keeps everything looking professional. Once you're in, head to the search bar at the top and type Invoice. You'll see a wide variety of styles, from simple and minimal to business and freelance-focused designs. Take a moment to scroll through and choose a template that fits your brand's tone. If you want to keep costs down, look for designs marked as free. When you've found one you like, click it to open the preview. Next, select Customize this template. This opens the design in Canva's editor. You'll see placeholders for all the typical invoice elements. Everything on the page, text, colors, and graphics, can be adjusted. The interface is drag and drop, so it's very beginner-friendly. Now, replace the template text with your information. Click each text box and type in your business name. If you have a logo, we'll add it in a moment. Fill in your client's name and address so the invoice is clearly addressed. Add an invoice number and the date. Using a consistent format helps with your records. In the line items section, list your services or products with clear descriptions, quantities or hours, and individual prices. Check your math as you add the subtotal, tax if applicable, and the total due. Finally, include payment terms or a due date so expectations are clear. Something like due within 14 days, or a specific date works well. If you want to personalize the design, you can change colors and fonts to match your brand. To add your logo, go to Uploads, select Upload Files, and choose your logo from your device. Drag it into place and resize as needed. You can also add simple icons or shapes for a touch of style, but keep readability in mind. Make sure there's good contrast between text and background and that the totals stand out. When you're done, it's time to save or send. Click the Download button and choose PDF for a clean, print-ready file. Rename the file with the client's name and invoice number for easy tracking. If you prefer to share digitally, use the Share option to send a view-only link. You can also keep a copy in your Canva account as a reusable template for future invoices. That's it. Your professional invoice is ready to go.